Hello everyone, welcome to Select Star. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be solving one interview question. So let's understand the problem statement first. We have been provided an orders table that has order ID as primary key, user ID and order date. And we are required to find the number of orders placed by a user within 7 days of ordering once. Now a customer can order at any date. We are required to find the number of orders that were made within 7 days of that order date. If we refer to user 101, he has made 3 purchases in total. First purchase on 1st of August, but we don't have to count that. Second purchase on 5th August, which is within 7 days of first order. Hence that will be counted, and then the third order was placed on 12th of August, which is again within 7 days from 5th August. Hence total of 2 orders will be counted for user 101. For user 102, he placed 2 orders but both are 8 days apart. Hence for him the order count should be 0. Then for user 103, there are again 2 orders only 7 days apart, so the count of order will come to 1. And then same for user 104. Before going to solution part, I would urge you folks to try this question yourself and then come back to see if it was simpler than my solution. The question looks difficult, but once we are able to figure out how to bring any two orders from a user which are 7 days apart in front of each other, it will become easy. We will use a cell join with multiple conditions to achieve this. The first condition will be on user ID. As we want orders from one user to be compared with the same user, we will put the condition that o1.userid should be equal to o2.userid. The second condition will be on order ID. This condition will help us in two ways. One is we don't want to match the rows that have same orders from O1 and O2. And second thing is that if a user placed two orders on the same date, we will be able to count the second order. Hence, we'll put the condition that o1.orderID should not be equal to o2.orderID. The third condition would be on date. As the question requires the dates to be 7 days apart, we will put the condition o2.orderDate minus o1.orderDate less than equal to 7. This looks fine as of now, but let me run this query and show why it is not. If you are seeing the result for user 101, first row is fine and satisfy all the conditions. But in the second row, order date of O1 is 5th of August while that of O2 is 1st August. But we have put the condition that O2.orderDate minus O1.orderDate should be less than equal to 7. Now this has happened because SQL has directly subtracted those dates, and 1st August minus 5th of August will give you minus 4, which is certainly less than 7. So in order to remove this anomaly, we will change the condition and use the between operator. I will let you guys comment as why it should be between 0 and 7 and not between 1 and 7. We have got the result for user 101. Now if we just apply a count function, we will get 2, which is required for user 101. Let's remove the where clause. However, there is still one thing that we will miss. If you look at the result closely, we don't have user 102 because he did not order anything within 7 days. But in our result table, we are required to show all the users and 0 if they have not ordered again. Let's update the cell join to a left join to overcome this. We have got the result, and as expected we have null values and all the users including user 102. Now let's select the required columns and make a city out of this. For counting the orders, we will need to group by user ID. Now some of you might think that we need a case statement inside count to count only when order ID is not null. But we don't have to do that because by default whenever we mention a column name inside count, it does not count nulls. We have got the orders count for each user and in the required format. If you are confused how the joins work, I would suggest you folks to watch the tutorial that I have made on joins. This will be all for today's video. If you have any question or feedback, do let me know in the comment section, and if you have still not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Signing off now.